I welcome you all to DGA Tech. This is the second edition of this video, the Binance. The first edition I talked about how to navigate through Binance, how to know the navigations, the buttons, and how to get to this page, which is the P2P Trading. And I said in my previous video that I'm going to be buying USDT with Naira. I'll be doing the practical so that you'll be able to buy as well. If you don't know how we got to this place, watch my previous video. You will know how we got here. I've explained everything there. So what we are going to be doing, we're buying from this guy. You look at his limit. His limit is from 1,000 Naira to 2,000 Naira. 1,000 to 2,150. That's the limit you can buy from him. So we click on the buy button. Click on buy USDT. Okay. He has done 371 orders, 80.65 completion. Okay. Let's type in the amount we want to buy. We want to buy 1,000 Naira worth of USDT. You type it in, then you click on buy USDT. You allow it to load. Okay, we've successfully placed the order. You allow it to load so that we'll know what we are going to be doing next. Okay, the order has been created. This is the confirm order info. Amount 1,000 Naira. The price is 608.94 as a Naira. Then you'll be getting 1.64 USDT. So they said transfer the fund to the seller's account provided below. So what you will do now, you copy down the account number of this person. You copy down his account number 85019500076. Bank name is Go Money. And his name is Patrick. Okay, let me go and make the transfer, then come back. Okay, I have done the transfer. So we are going to click this transferred, notify seller. You click I have paid, confirm payments, order marked as paid. So we're waiting for him now to confirm the payment. Okay, now I have clicked that I have paid and it marked paid. Now you see what they wrote here. They say you have marked the order as paid. Please wait for seller to confirm and release the assets. Then the next message here is your payment has been received. The asset USDT has been sent to your account. You go back to see your USDT. It's in your account already. This is the order. See, now they wrote it order complete. That means you have received your USDT. It is in your account now. So you can leave a review, a positive review for the guy because he released the coin very fast to us, positive, so that when others see it, they can trust the guy as well. So let's check in our wallet to see the USDT we purchased. Click on wallet, then fiat and sports. You allow it to load. When I transferred the money to the guy, so I now click on the chat that is in that page because I saw that the guy wasn't online. But when I clicked on that chat, then I saw the guy's phone number. I called the guy. Then he said he has released it. Then when I checked, he actually released it. So let's check our wallet and see. He has released it already. The network is not that good, but it's going to load now. Okay, as you can see, it has been added to my balance. That's the one I had before. So if you want to see it, you scroll down. to see the value. Okay, this is it here. This BUS. I also have Tron there, that's why they added them together above, just to give us an estimation of how much everything will be. You see it here, this BUSD, that's it. So the person has transferred it to me and it's in my wallet now. If I want to sell it, I can sell it. But I'll wait for at least, let's say, when the price will go up. So when the price goes up, I will now sell it to have some profit from it. So that's how to buy um currency on Binance. If you have any question, you comment down on the video. I'll reply to you immediately. If you have any contribution or any suggestion, you can make it on the comment section. I'm going to acknowledge it and put it into use. Thank you for watching this video up to the very end. I really appreciate you. You can share this video to your friends so that it will be helpful to them as well. Share it to them. No knowledge is a waste. Thank you. Signing out now. DGA Tech on this one.